Press this spot and you will poop immediately. We all know that it can be very unpleasant when you can't go to the bathroom, especially when you have the urge to poop but you can't. You should be very careful, because this can be very serious health problem. And you've probably tried many different and popular reliefs, stool cleanses, softener fiber, pooping position and detoxification, but none of them gave you the desired effect. But, you shouldn't be worried, because there is a better technique that will definitely help you and you won't have to worry about anything, because this method is completely safe and without any side effects. You've probably noticed that there is a small stretch of skin between the anus and your private part. This part is called perineum. Well, the perineum has a pressure point which when you massage it, it can ease up constipation, as the Journal of General Internal Medicine claims. There are many different people around the world who suffer from constipation, and according to the latest statistics, 1 in 5 persons suffer from constipation, and women are more affected than men. You should also know that pregnant women can use this technique and it's completely safe. This method will help them relax and prepare the area. This massage relaxes the bowel as well. Constant massage will help you and soften and break the stool. The medical experts claim that this technique is much more effective than laxatives body workouts. This colon cleaning juice can remove toxins from your body in no time. The colon is one of the most useful organs in the body. It is responsible for the elimination of toxins, and also absorbs water and sodium in order to keep the electrolyte levels stable. If its function is impaired, your body will suffer as a result. Improperly working colon will allow accumulation of waste in the body, which will create numerous problems. The intestines process more than 30,000 L of liquids and more than 100 tons of food through our lifetime, which means that they process a huge amount of waste as well. This waste may accumulate in the body and poison our blood, slowly damaging the body from inside. If left untreated, toxins can cause numerous serious diseases including colon cancer. This type of cancer is highly deadly and kills more people than prostate cancer and AIDS every year. How to clean the colon? Just by going to the bathroom doesn't mean that your colon will be completely cleaned. In order to clean your colon, you must perform a colon cleansing at least twice a year. This can be done with the juice we're going to show you today. It contains apples and ginger, which will resolve numerous digestive problems and keep your colon clean. The juice also contains lemon juice, which will boost your digestion, detox your body, and contains vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can clean your body. Here's how to prepare the juice. Ingredients: 1/2 a cup of apple juice, 1/2 a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 a teaspoon of sea salt. Preparation: put the water in a saucepan and bring it to a boil, then leave it to cool down a bit and pour it in a cup. Next, add the sea salt and mix until it dissolves. Add the apple juice, ginger, and fresh lemon juice next and mix again. Drink a cup of the mixture every morning on an empty stomach, and follow it with another cup before your snack and in the mid-afternoon. The colon cleanse can be safely performed by anyone. However, we suggest consulting a doctor before starting the therapy if you are pregnant or suffering from some chronic disease or allergies. Some medications may interfere with the function of the drink. Avoid taking it if you're diabetic due to the high content of natural sugar in apple juice. The treatment should be followed up to a week at most. Seven early warning signs of colon cancer most people miss. Colon cancer or colorectal cancer starts in the large intestine or in the rectum. It is treatable when caught early, but it's still the third most common type of cancer in men and women in the United States. Most colorectal cancers begin in cells that make and release mucus and other fluids, causing a tumor to form in the lining of the large intestine. Being aware of the risk factors, signs, and symptoms of this cancer is important for prevention and early detection. Risk factors for colon cancer. An early diagnosis can often lead to a complete cure, but there are several risk factors to be aware of. Risk factors include being overweight, Being overweight or obese increases the risk of colorectal cancer in both men and women. Physical inactivity. Increasing your level of physical activity lowers your risk. Regular to moderate exercise will help keep your heart and body healthy. Diet. Diets that are higher in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains have been linked with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Lowering your red and processed meat intake may also lower your risk. Alcohol. Several studies have found a higher risk of colorectal cancer with increased alcohol intake, especially among men. If you have a personal or family history of cancer, you are at a higher risk and should take preventative measures by keeping your body healthy. Signs and symptoms of colon cancer. Symptoms of an illness or disease are your body's way of letting you know that something is wrong. Common symptoms of colon cancer to be aware of and watch out for include: 1. Blood in your stool or bleeding from your rectum. Any amount or color of bleeding can be an early sign, so make sure you see a healthcare professional right away if you are experiencing this symptom. 2. Unexplained weight loss. 3. An ongoing bloated feeling, cramping or pain in your abdomen. 4. Constant tiredness and weakness. 5. A change in bowel habits that lasts for more than a few days, such as diarrhea, constipation, or narrow stools. 6. A feeling that doesn't subside that you need to have a bowel movement, even after you've gone to the bathroom. 7. Jaundice, a yellow or green coloring of the skin and the white part of the eye. Other conditions such as infections, hemorrhoids, or irritable bowel disease can cause similar symptoms, so be sure to visit a doctor if these symptoms arise. Awareness is the first step to prevention. It is important to be aware of the signs and seek medical help as soon as possible. This powerful remedy will help you lose weight, clean your colon and reduce the inflammation in your stomach. Papaya is a healthy tropical fruit that has numerous uses. It can treat numerous digestive problems and help you lose weight as well. Papaya can clean your colon of toxins and reduce the inflammation in your gut, effectively helping you reduce your weight. In order to do this, you need to prepare papaya juice and drink it every day to boost your digestion and improve your overall health in just a week. One of the many advantages of the fruit is that it is easily available and cheap. It is commonly used in different cuisines and also a part of many natural remedies, thanks to the numerous health benefits it brings. This is why experts recommend drinking papaya juice every day, which you can prepare by following these instructions. Ingredients: 3/4 of a cup of chopped papaya, 1/2 a cup of almond milk, 1/2 a cup of oatmeal, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Preparation: mix all the ingredients in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture, and that's it, your healthy papaya drink is ready. Pour it into the glass and add some ice cubes, then enjoy your papaya smoothie. This incredible drink will reduce the inflammation of your stomach lining and clean your colon, effectively improving its performance and helping you lose weight. Thanks for watching, and please share this recipe with everyone you know so they can get fit by the summer.